Testing, testing. Cool. So yeah, I went to Bulgaria in the summer, just a week, and I was helping homeless and Roma children from a local community on like a holiday vacation style thing. The kids would come to us every morning, and we'd cook them or make them breakfast and lunch, and we would give them activities to do. I learned a lot about myself, I guess, and a lot about like the human condition. I guess. I don't know, just the way the kids, you know, they need this. Some of them, that would have been their only meal or only food of the day, and it really struck a chord with me. You know, I grew up in a place where I've never really known much poverty, and I don't know, seeing that, like, in such multitudes, so much of that going on all the time, it really struck a chord.
Oh, it looks like a parrot. How are you? You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. You?
Yes, not too bad. How was yesterday? You good? You good? Yesterday?
Yeah, I'm good.
You're good? You're good? You okay? Nice to meet you. Shake hands.
She don't speak English.
So I don't know, I kind of want to share a story from Bulgaria. It's about this kid here, it's called Stefan. And Stefan was a kid who came into the place where we were doing this, you know, voluntary thing. Came in every single day with this amazing, bright, like, confident attitude. And he would always come in with a smile on his face and a group of friends around him. And I don't know, he kind of exuded this energy that the other kids didn't really have. And the way he spoke Bulgarian, obviously I didn't understand it. He had charisma. You could tell this kid, you know, knew what he was, you know, talking about. And I don't know, just the way he acted was very confident. And it kind of grabbed my attention because I kind of saw myself, I don't know, in his shoes as a kid. You know, I'd often try my hardest anyway to be a charismatic guy. I don't know, that's kind of faded a lot. But no, yes, so this kid, Stefan, I don't know, I take a liking to him. And I was serving the food one day, and I go over and I just overhear him talking. And I catch a phrase or a word in English, and this kind of took me off guard, obviously. And I kind of went over and I just said a bit of English, hoping that they might be able to pick up. And this Stefan kid can speak fluent English, just completely just went in a normal conversation as a bit as you just heard. Just had a full conversation in English, and it was so impressive. And the way he spoke and the words he spoke was so eloquent. He could speak in such a way that actually captivated me, and it was interesting. Just the way this kid spoke and the way the way he could hold a conversation was amazing. So, you know, I kept speaking to him, and turns out he would play every day. He would come in and he would play this mobile game. It's like a ninja, one of those app games you see for like £2. And he would play this game, and he told me that the way he figured out English was by playing with people all around the world on this app. And he would play video games on his phone using data or using, you know, Wi-Fi from local cafeterias, and he would just play and learn English through that. And obviously he's been to camps before, so his English has been developed and improved because of that. But just the fact that this kid had this energy and this passion for gaming and for communication like that, it really, I don't know, it really struck a chord with me. I've said that loads of times in this video, but I don't know, the way he could go from living in a you know, very, very poor community and still have this high energetic level was impressive. Towards the end of my time at the camp, I kind of asked him, so, you know, where are you going? What is your kind of, where are you going to be in a month or 2 months? And he said something like, oh, I might be at my uncle's, or it might be at my grandma's, I don't quite know. And that really hit home. I don't know, just the fact that this kid that I could relate to, I could see as one of my friends here in England, living in this situation, it really hit home. So I'm kind of making this video just to make awareness of Hope Restored in Bulgaria. If you have a spare minute, check out their website. I'll leave a link in the description box. But yeah, thank you for watching. I just thought I'd share something.